can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. Gold and silver just had a crazy pullback. We saw silver pulling back by more than 30% from its all-time highs. Silver went from as high as $121. We saw it trading for as low as $74. Gold went from as high as $5,600. Gold dumped below the $5,000 level, even getting to as low as $4,676. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still struggling. Bitcoin dumped to as low as $80,000. Bitcoin has bounced back to $83,000. Ethereum got to as low as $2,600. Sentiment is crazy. Sentiment is extreme fear right now in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared to the teeth. We saw metal going parabolic. We saw Bitcoin fail to pump those metals. Right now, those metals are pulling back. Bitcoin and total cryptocurrency market has also pulled back. So we'll take a look at total cryptocurrency market cap, Bitcoin dominance, altcoin market. We'll talk about the metals. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? It's the last day of January 2026. January has come and gone. Looks like Bitcoin is going to end the month on the negative. We'll also look at news stories going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now. The last 1 month has seen extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market. Last week there was extreme fear. Yesterday there was extreme fear. Right now there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin trades around $83,000. Ethereum trades around $2,700. We have seen a lot of market participants pivot to metals. We have seen the last 1 month, starting the month on a very bright note. We started the year on a very bright note. Bitcoin getting to as high as $94,000. Ethereum got to as high as $3,000 before we started dumping back to Goblin Town. I still strongly believe we're going to see great return back to the cryptocurrency market at some point in time, the nearest future. We saw the cryptocurrency market head towards greed on the 15th of January. That greed was short-lived. We headed back to extreme fear. The last 24 hours, I've seen metals pull back. A lot of market participants that pivoted from crypto to metals might be regretting that decision. We saw metals pumping aggressively since the start of the year, pumping parabolically, going to new all-time highs. For silver, it went to as high as $121. We saw silver starting the year trading around $70. Silver pumped to as high as $121. A 68% move to the upside. Market participants were getting excited, they were getting euphoric, and in 24 hours, we saw the market almost erasing all the gains silver made in the first month of 2026. We saw silver pulling back down by more than 38%. That's very, very crazy. Silver has been pumping slowly over the last few years without any crazy dump to the downside. One thing is sure, guys, when things start going parabolic, there's only one way to end. It will end with the hash dumped Goblin Town, and that's what we saw for silver, and that's what we saw for gold. Gold also had a big dump to Goblin Town after getting to an all-time high of $5,600. Gold blasted through that $5,000 psychological barrier, getting to as high as $5,600. It felt like a cheat code. It felt too easy to make money. It felt like all you had to do was long gold and go to sleep. But then the market is always there balancing the equation back. We saw gold pulling back, and in 24 hours, gold lost more than 16% of its value. On Monday, the market is going to open. Odds on the market to dump into Goblin Downs are still very, very high. But hopefully, we see that rotation happening in the cryptocurrency market. There have been talks about metal stopping, and we'll see the altcoin market pumping. We'll see the cryptocurrency market pumping. Right now, total cryptocurrency market sits around $2.81 trillion. We are back to where we're trading in November of 2021. We're back to where we're trading on the 21st of November on 2025. We saw the total cryptocurrency market get to as high as $3.2 trillion. This was just on the 15th of January 2025. But before then, we saw it dumping to that $2.74 trillion level on the 21st of November 2025. Right now, we're back to that crucial level. Guys, I will not be shocked. Even the coming days and the coming weeks, we see the total cryptocurrency market have a bounce to the upside. I'm very, very optimistic on the cryptocurrency market. I'm very, very optimistic on Bitcoin, the king of the cryptos in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin trade went for as low as $80,000. Bitcoin went to the $80,700 level. Hopefully that will be a very, very good support. Hopefully we'll bounce from there to higher prices. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, we're going to see Bitcoin dominant, hopefully dump to Goblin Town. I've been on the channel saying Bitcoin dominance is going to dump. That's one of the final signs we're waiting for to know that the cycle is over. Historically, when the cycle is coming to an end, we usually see Bitcoin dominance dumping. A lot of market participants start taking huge risks. They start going all in, just like we saw for silver and gold. When the top is coming, you see a lot of people start making outrageous decisions. We saw a lot of market participants buying gold, buying silver recklessly. Why? Just saw it going up in a straight line. That's what I would expect to happen to the cryptocurrency market. Maybe we'll get a parabolic blow up top, but I expect to see all coins outperforming. I expect to see the sentiment flip. I expect to see market participants start saying how this time is different. We are going to the moon. For the total cryptocurrency market cap, we sit around $2.81 trillion. 702 retracement at minimum should see us get back to around $3.5 trillion. If we go to set new all-time highs, that will see total crypto market cap blasting past the $4.27 trillion level. Over the last 1 month, we've seen a lot of altcoins pump and dump. Right now, as we're ending the month of January 2026, some altcoins are still in profit. Render is still up 33% over the last 1 month. Dash is up 19%, Chili's is up 15%, Hype is up 22%. In the month of February, guys, we're expecting a bullish pump to the upside. For a lot of these altcoins, we're expecting to see FOMO return back to the cryptocurrency market as Bitcoin dominant slowly start dumping to Goblin Town. If sentiment start improving the cryptocurrency market, guys, I'll expect the bears to start getting liquidated. Over the last 48 hours, we have seen bulls getting liquidated. We saw liquidation in the cryptocurrency market getting to as high as $1.8 billion. Right now, in the last 24 hours, more than 136,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $567 million. The last liquidation happened on Hyperliquid. The trader lost $18 million betting on the price of silver. He was betting the price to continue pumping to higher prices, and he got liquidated. A lot of these crypto exchanges started listing silver and gold, and I believe that will turn out to be the top for silver and gold. Exchanges listing tokens at the top. It's not the first time we are seeing this. It always happens. Binance, OKX, and a host of other exchanges start listing silver and gold futures, and I believe that just tells us how parabolic gold and silver has gone, that crypto exchanges are willing to allow their clients to trade those perpetuals. Guys, you want to avoid leverage, you don't want to get liquidated. Right now in the month of January, the last day of the month of January 2026, Bitcoin is down 4.15%, Ethereum is down 9.16%. Looks like that's how Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to end the month of January in 2026. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, few bullish stories going around. Liquidation knocks Bitcoin out of world top 10 assets. Bitcoin loses crucial 84 support. How low can Bitcoin go? I've heard talks about Bitcoin dumping to as low as $64,000. I don't believe we'll go that low. With extreme fear being the cryptocurrency market, my mantra is to buy low and to sell high. To buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market and to sell when greed returns. As we have seen in the metals, greed always returns. We always have that big pump to the moon. The market only has two ways it's going to go. We're pumping to the moon or we're dumping to Goblin Town, and we can't go backwards. We have to go forward. So I believe in the nearest future, we'll see sentiment improve. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. The crowd is very bearish right now. I expect to see some bullish sentiment return in the coming days and the coming weeks. Theta USD Treasury holding reached record high. Profits fall 23% year on year. Bitcoin options turns bearish as BTC threats drop below $80,000. I've seen a lot of market participants compare the drop Bitcoin is having right now with what happened in early 2022 when we saw Bitcoin start dumping to Goblin Town, have a retracement rally, and the next time the crash started, we saw that big dump that took us down and wiped a lot of altcoins. So in March of 2022, Bitcoin first had a pullback from all-time high. That time in 2022, that was a 50% pullback. After that pullback, we saw a retracement rally where Bitcoin rallied up by around 40% before we eventually saw the wipeout. We saw Luna crashing, FTX crashing, with total cryptocurrency market cap losing more than 67% of its value in just under 240 days. Yes, history can always repeat itself exactly the same, but they say history doesn't repeat itself exactly, it just rhymes. I don't think this time is different. I believe a lot of market participants are forgetting that there's a bullish divergence right here. We have seen price almost getting to new lows, with RSI not getting to close where it was on the 21st of November 2024. So as we enter February, as we enter a new week, a new month, I'll not be shocked, guys, to see a big rally to the upside. That's my base case scenario. As other market participants are bearish, expecting us to dump to Goblin Town, I'm very bullish, expecting us to pump to the moon. If you look at the meme coin market, a lot of meme coin pumped this month, but then they gave back most of those gains. Pepe is still up 11% on the month. Shiba Inu is up 2%, but Dogecoin has lost 3% of its value. Over the last 30 days, meme coin, official Donald Trump coin, SPX 6900 has been the biggest loser, down 30% over the last 30 days. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, still no big changes. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin currently trades above $80,000, and in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I'll be expecting to see Bitcoin probably set new all-time highs. If we cannot set new all-time highs, then Bitcoin going to that 702 retracement is what to be expected. Bitcoin from this place onward will be outperformed by the altcoins if everything goes according to plan. If we see Bitcoin dominance dumping and Bitcoin is having a retracement rally with the altcoin market, you expect altcoins to outperform Bitcoin from here onward. The altcoin market is very volatile, one of the most volatile markets in the world. Yes, when we're dumping, that volatility doesn't work in our favor, but when we're pumping, those pumps could easily go aggressive. We could easily see big pumps happening in a short period of time. You never want to see never with the altcoin market. You ever want to have your pulse on the altcoin market, because that's where those big gains are made. And that leads us to the altcoin season index. According to the altcoin season index, right now we're on an altcoin season. As I always tell you guys, for us to get an altcoin season, we need 75% of the top 50 coins to perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Bitcoin is down 25% over the last 90 days. We expect to see at least a retracement rally for Bitcoin, at best a pump towards all-time high for Bitcoin. Bitcoin over the last 1 month is down 6.2%. We're not also in an altcoin month. News stories is still very bearish in the cryptocurrency market. Few bullish stories to go around. We saw crypto Twitter turning on CZ. CZ is being blamed for the crash. He's been blamed for the chaos in the cryptocurrency market. I just believe sentiment is that bad that we're looking for a culprit to blame. We're looking for somebody to put all the blame in. But CZ didn't force you to hold any altcoin. CZ didn't say you should not sell your Bitcoin when it was trading at $120,000. I just believe sentiment is so bad, and when sentiment get that bad that we start finding him to blame, usually that marks the bottom. But we're tied between two. We're split between two parties. We have market participants that believe there's supposed to be capitulation in the cryptocurrency market that will lead us towards $60,000. That will lead Bitcoin maybe towards $40,000. And then you have the bullish market participants, just like myself, that believe we can pump to the moon, and the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. And right now, the crowd is very bearish. I believe we can easily pump to higher prices. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Gold has had a big crash from all-time highs. Silver also having a big pullback from all-time highs, losing more than 26% of its value in 24 hours. Market participants are calling for manipulation, asking where all the money go. I asked them where all the money come from. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still buying gold? Are you still buying silver? Do you still believe in the altcoin market? Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.